and information responds to expectation. We've shown that at the most fundamental level. Chi responds to what we expect. Therefore, one of the most important things we need to do is to expect the results we want. Chi is life. When we restore the Chi, when we restore that communication, when we restore that correct information, then we repair the function, we resolve the problem. That brings us to the questions of where and how. And to address those two questions, I want to talk about some of the tools available to us. And as we talk about the tools, I want to point out that every tool we use is a way of accessing the network. Whether it's an acupuncture needle, whether it's vibrational therapy, whether it's electric stim, all of it is doing the same thing, and that is accessing the network in an important way. And then when we access the network, what we carry into the network, what we provide to the network matters. And there's different levels of being able to do this. So I'm going to share with you 3 levels. Level 1 is just moving the Chi, getting the information flowing. If the